What's going on, everybody? So it's 11 o'clock roughly, um, and we've been working on the house for about a week and a half now. So I just wanted to show everybody what it's looking like now, starting from the porch and moving in like we did the first video. But here we go. All right. So Haley got the closet painted. That's got to get put back in there. There's a little closet. Got the washer and dryer in. I gotta switch them though because they open the wrong way. That one is the dryer and it opens opposite of the washer. So I have to figure out how to extend this and see if this will reach. I might have to get a longer plug in, but I gotta move them. Anyway, that's some toilet paper. So these rooms look the best so far. You can kind of see what it's all going to look like. That's the gray on the white there. Gray walls with the white trim. Dean came over and caulked all the window seals, and I don't know if you can see that. But it looks a lot better than it did. We're going to have to remove the popcorn ceiling because all that glue up there on the top makes the ceiling look really bad. In the other rooms, it'll probably be okay. I already removed all the old coax. There's a fiber optic that uses Cat 5 now, and it had old telephone in it. So I took the old telephone out with the coax. So it's looking pretty good. In here looks nice. The door's white now. It's got some splotches on it, but you can kind of see where it needs to be painted more. But that's fine. Nothing's been done with this bathroom yet. Still old bathroom. All right. So here's where the big difference is there's no more cabinets. They're on the ground now. So we took the cabinets off, painted behind, painted the whole living room up to the ceiling. And you can kind of see where it needs to be cut in along the top of the ceiling, but there's very minimal painting needs to be done for the ceiling. So that's pretty cool. You can see how the trim's getting white, how that's getting covered up. The wood's gonna be covered up with white, just like the bedrooms. And the fireplace, I think it'd look cool if it was like a light gray with the white in the gray walls, or maybe like a darker gray, charcoal gray, I mean. But this got all cleaned up. All these holes in these walls got patched from where the shelves were hanging, or the cabinets. These are gonna get painted white. Inside of these are gonna get painted white. All this is gonna get taken out and cleaned real good, and it's gonna get degreased. So this thing isn't going back up as far as we know in the middle. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do is put this little one right above that little sliver right there. Put the little above microwave one right next to it. And then we'll put the big one outside right here, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. And then we'll have open shelves going in this corner, just to open this corner up a little bit more and make it look a little bigger, I think, in there. All right, so I'll show you the outside, what's going on out here. So I've been sanding these. This is the big cabinet. So when you're looking at it on the wall, this is what it's gonna look like. And it's gonna go in that corner right there, or on that side of the wall. So I'm sanding it, and the way that I'm doing it, just in case you want to know, is using 80 and then 150, I think. Yep, 150 and then 220, and then I'm painting it. So in there's the first coat. There's my little sander. I'll show you something that's really gross, is that I don't know if you could see that, but that's coming off of the cabinets, and it's pretty much on all the wood in the house. It's like 20 years of like bacon grease and just nasty, just like soot. So it's really not the best, but I'm gonna or we're gonna sand the floors too and get all off the floors. But it's just old. Pull the door the wrong way. So up here, they've been working on on the there goes Alex. They've been working on the walls, so you can see the walls are gray now with the white trim. And this is what the first coat of white looks like. In the bedrooms, it doesn't look like this because it's been done, but it's spotty and you can actually see the grain through the white. It just takes a couple coats. And then I gotta recaulk all these windows. And let's see if we can find kind of a piece that, see how that kind of separates from the wall? Like all those little separations will get caulked. This door is getting painted. And this is the master bedroom. These haven't been painted yet. And the closets haven't been painted yet. But they'll get painted. I got a frame around this. This is the AC vent in, and it's all sorts of like crazy. I don't know if you can see the angle on that, but it's not framed right. So I have to redo that. And then the bathrooms are pretty much gonna stay the same. Let's see if we can turn the light on. So probably the only thing in here is gonna be the windows. The window sills are gonna be white, and then maybe we'll paint the walls, or we'll work on this whenever we get the rest of the house done. But the bathrooms really are not bad, and the rest of the house really wasn't bad. I think it was just wanting to do a new paint to make it look nice. So that's pretty much it. That's what's going on right now since last time. I'm excited to see what this looks like painted, and I want to put like a 75-inch TV right there. I think it looked cool. The basement, because I didn't show you the first time. So I'll show you what we want to do with the basement. So again, these stairs are horrible in this house. They definitely would not pass code anymore. This was built in the early 2000s, I think 2003. So anyway, this is the basement. We had the dogs' beds there whenever we were painting earlier, and yeah, they ripped it up. So some things weird that this guy did that owned this house, or whoever lived here, because I don't think the owners actually lived here, I think they rented it, is so they're plumbed for a bathroom, which makes sense because this right above us, this right here, is the bathroom upstairs. I think, I'm pretty sure that's the tub. That's the tub in. Yeah, that's the tub. So it would make sense to put the second bathroom directly below it whenever we do this. So what I'm thinking we do is we take this door out and we put double doors and make this like a living room / kitchen, because our kitchen is on this back wall over here, and this is the bathroom that's already in here, and it's nasty as hell. I mean, I wouldn't try to live in this right now whatsoever, but it's all sorts of old, nasty, and so anyway, this is the other side. And let's find where's the light switch at? So this is the other side. So that's some coax that they crappily ran from the garage over here. They ran it to this open ceiling. They ran it up and then down, and then they hit it along the wall, and then it went up to the living room, which is just a poopy way to do it. I would have just wrapped the house if I was wiring it myself. Like, if you're gonna be that lazy about it, that's harder than just wrapping it, and it still looks like crap on the outside anyway, so it wouldn't really matter. So they got this on the inside, and I'm guessing they were trying to plumb this for like the kitchenette or something. I have no idea. But so this is this little bathroom. All this is probably coming out, to tell you the truth. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that pipe. That's all sorts of crazy. So I know I'm just bothering you guys right now, just talking, if anybody's still watching this video. But it's just crazy how this was done. Like, it just doesn't make sense, a lot of it. And it's gonna have to get redone to make it look right, or make it perform right, I think. A lot of people, think it's just a rental, like whatever, don't worry about it, just wait until something breaks and then fix it. That's probably what I don't do right about investing wise, is like, I put too much money and stuff and too much time and stuff. But if we're gonna be here for 6 months anyway, you know, you might as well fix as much as you can or redo as much the right way as you can, and then, you know, whatever. At least I know how it's, you know, ran. I'll probably run Cat 5 to the center of the house. I don't know. I'll probably wrap the house, to be honest, because like I don't want to fight through fish sticks and having to find outlets and stuff. All that would suck. So, I mean, I don't know, man. Like, all this is just wired, all sorts of just dumb. Like, I don't know. I'm no master electrician, but I know that some of the stuff in here is not right. So that's pretty much it. That's the basement. Hopefully one day this will be like a bedroom. This will be a bedroom, maybe bathroom, I don't know. And then this other side will be a living room / kitchen or something. Or maybe that side will be the kitchen. This side will be right here underneath that bathroom will be another bathroom. I have no idea. I gotta figure it out, what's gonna be the most cost effective and what makes the most sense. One thing I would like to do down here though is get some mini splits and put a mini split on this wall here, and then put a mini split on this other wall over here, and let the mini splits handle the dampness, or what is that called? Let them take the moisture out of the air. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you want to give me any money to support my cause, please do that. I know nobody's gonna, but you know, it's cool if you want to. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm sorry I haven't been making more videos more often. I really wanted to make a video on taking those cabinets out and redoing them, because that would have been a pretty cool video. But, you know, it's like we're running against the clock here. We have like a week to get this ready, or we have to pay rent for another month, which really wouldn't be that bad because we don't pay that much in rent. But Haley's just ready to get in this thing, so. All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.